IFE Elevator Installation Guidance Video Series Method of Using Electric Brake Release. Turn off the 380V switch. Turn off the GK switch. Unplug the K7 plug. Insert BAE1 at position K7. At position K9, be aware that there is a plug. K9 wired, digital tube display speed. Press the start button, and the power light will on. Start plus public, the power indicator light and the release indicator light come on simultaneously. Bypass landing door. Open the door and observe the movement of the elevator. The on-site test has begun. Turn off the 380-volt power switch. Turn off the GK switch. Note that it is not GK5. Can bypass door lock. Open the door to observe. Bypass landing door to short landing door lock. Unplug the K7. Plug BAE1 into K7 position. The K9 on the left should have a short connection so that the digital tube will display the speed. 00 is the current speed displayed on the Nixie tube. Press the start button first and a third light will light up. Press start and COM button at the same time, then first and third light will light up. At this point the elevator began to release the brake. When the brake release is complete, remember to reset all elevator plugins and switches.